Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, as I told you, we'll be downloading Python software, and this is an official website of Python, and we are going to be downloading the latest software of the Python for Windows 10. So the latest version is Python 3.8.2. So let's just download it. Just click on that download button, that Python 3.8.2. Once you click on it, you will see the downloading of Python and be started. And it is completed. So now let's open our Explorer and save it to the desktop. So downloads, let's minimize that. Okay, I'm just adding it in the desktop. Okay, and now here is the installer. Double click on the installer. Now this must take you to the installation setup, and you need to tap on add Python 3.8 to part to run it, and click on the install now. And now file is installing, and it must come control yes, and I'll see once the setup is completed, guys. So I have cancelled download because I already have it on my desktop. And if you need the command prompt of the Python version, like let me show you, like the CMD which is there on the Windows 10. If you want like this, you can download it in the Microsoft Store for free. And this is another official Python. Let's go to the search and type Python. And when you hit search, you will be able to see the latest version of the Python here. So yeah, this is the latest version, the Python 3.8, and you can just install it from here. This is like some kind of coding, the command prompt that you did here. So this is another type of app, and the one which I told you will be different. You need another application to run this Python software, but this won't require that. You can simply enter your command prompt and you can just run here. So that's all for the video, guys. Hope you like it, and don't forget to press the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video.